We are live from the Jackson Inn Man Cave residence. A Hilton property. That was a joke, but I'm sure Hampton and Hilton would get a kick out of that. Final train frequency of 2018 is also on here. It's 11:51. 9 minutes remain. Well, now it's going on 8 minutes remain. Feel bad for those poor guys down at the yard working in the rain like this, but they're probably in engines protected. Hey, Abby, you're in for a loud, buzzy, ringy surprise. Now we actually got a girl watching this. Guess I'm lucky tonight. Abby Ducey. Anyway, guys, it is going on 11:54 p.m. I'm getting to my station over here. Rackford Station. Seven minutes of 2018. It's the best time of the year. About down to 5 minutes. Anyway, guys, I want to thank all the elevator, fire alarm, toilet, train enthusiasts for supporting me as far as they have. All my friends and family for helping me along with my struggles. Truly has meant a lot, guys, and I look forward to a great new year. I will leave it at that. Anyway, guys, Jack's getting ready to do his sounding of 100 device as well. Guess I wanted to do something special too. Anyway, we're only at 4 minutes left of 2018, guys. Let this be a great year to be remembered. Four and a half minutes left. When I hit 11:59, I'll be counting down. Just about the 3 minutes left of 2018. Just about to the final 2 minutes, guys. Ball dropping has been in progress, but I will see that on footage tomorrow. Or Brian, you can send it to me, I guess. Like I said, guys, this has been quite a progressive, fun, educating, learnable, fun year. Thanks. Well, guys, here comes the final minute. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anyhow, guys, hop on back here. Final minute, here we go. I'm gonna miss it. Here it goes in a blink of seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Happy 2019, everybody! Stupid cat. Never learn. Well, happy 2019, everybody. That was loud. Hello, everybody. Haha. Yeah. Well, Brian Rolo, what did you think? Was that loud or what?